Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of something ancient and alive, where the water is saltier than the Gulf itself, and the world feels like it's holding its breath.
This is the Laguna Madre, the Mother Lagoon, a hypersaline wonder stretching over 100 miles along the wild Texas coast.
It's one of only a handful of places on Earth where the sea has grown so concentrated and so defiant that ordinary rules don't apply.
Evaporation wins here, turning the shallows into a briny cradle that somehow nurtures more life than almost anywhere else along our shores.
Join our journey where we soar above the King Ranch Shoreline, Packery Channel, Nighthawk Bay, and the ICW Spoil Island. Places where flats meet endless horizons and every cast feels like unlocking a secret.
We will drop some tips on local waterfront dining, some boat ramps to launch your boat at, and our favorite bait and tackle shops. Stick around to watch me reel in a few monster redfish and black drum.
Welcome to Drone Hypnotics. I'm Kelby.
I'm Courtney.
We're a married couple who quit our 9-to-5s and are traveling full-time in our off-grid travel trailer.
Join us as we set out in search of beauty and hidden histories of the most iconic landscapes in the western U.S. region.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here we go. Picture gliding across those glassy flats at dawn, the sun creeping up, painting the water gold, and beneath you sways an endless green carpet. Seagrass meadows that cover nearly 80% of all that's left in Texas.
This isn't just grass, it's the quiet powerhouse of the lagoon.
Shoalgrass and turtlegrass weave together, filtering the water crystal clear, anchoring the bottom against storms, and creating hidden nurseries where baby fish, shrimp, and crabs grow strong.
In this salty world where most bays would struggle, these resilient beds explode with life, drawing bait fish by the millions, which in turn summon the predators. It's nature's perfect, improbable balance, harsh conditions forging an oasis of abundance.
As you cruise north along the legendary King Ranch shoreline, the mainland feels timeless.
Vast, untouched ranches roll right to the water's edge. Wind-sculpted oaks, prickly pear, and dunes standing guard over flats that have changed very little since Spanish explorers first named this place Mother Lagoon.
Out here the world quiets. No crowds, no lights, just you, the boat slicing through the shallows, and the promise of what's waiting.
Then, the action begins.
If he pops off, all right, I'm gonna pull him up onto the shore.
It's a red. Nice, slot red too. Nice, slot red.
Suddenly, tails break the surface. Redfish. Those bronze scales flash with their black spot signature, cruising and feeding.
One cast and the line comes tight. The fish powers off, head shaking, pulling hard against the drag. It's not just a fight, it's a dance in the water so clear you watch every twist.
Nearby, black drum ghosts along the bottom, powerful and steady, inhaling bait with deep, thumping pull.
He has not pulled drag one time yet. Come on. Come on, yes!
Nice.
Yeah, it is. You net him? Okay. Now, I'm gonna need the pliers, so I got my pliers.
In Nighthawk Bay's secluded pockets, the same magic repeats. schools tailing in the sun, reds exploding on your lure, drum thundering runs that make your arms burn and your heart race.
This is the heartbeat of the place. Effortless days on the water where the fishing feels earned but never forced.
You might hook a stringer of redfish before lunch and keep a couple for the grill, or just drift for hours in perfect silence, just watching birds wheel overhead and dolphins arc through the channels.
To make it all seamless, hit the ramps that locals swear by. Launch at Bird Island Basin in Padre Island National Seashore for prime access to the southern Laguna Madre flats, shallow and protected, perfect for skinny water pursuits, or try Packery Channel boat ramp on the North Padre for quick Gulf to Bay runs, or Clem Marina right near Causeway for easy intracoastal entry.
Bluffs Landing offers sheltered launches straight into the Upper Laguna. Stock up first at trusted bait shops like Roy's Bait and Tackle in Corpus Christi, or the Causeway in Billings near the Causeway for some fresh, frozen, and live options. These are your one-stop shops for all of your bait and tackle needs, and you're set for the day.
Dock the boat at sunset, salt on your skin, the day's catch cooling in the box, and feel that rare contentment. The kind that only comes from a place that still feels undiscovered.
For the perfect end of the day, pull right up to boat up spots like Dock Seafood and Steaks under the JFK Causeway, Dock Easy, savor fresh Gulf shrimp or grilled redfish with epic Laguna Madre sunsets.
Or tie up at Snoopys Pier nearby for casual, no-fuss seafood, ice cream, a cold beverage, and that laid-back deck vibe overlooking the water.
But the lagoon isn't just about the rod, it's a lifestyle that calls you back. Tie up at the dock, crack open something cold, and let the day just fade away.
The hypersaline magic makes everything thrive against the odds. Fish that fight like champions, birds that darken the sky in winter, a landscape preserved by ranches and refuges that keep it wild.
You come for the redfish tailing in the sunrise, the drum thumping in the channels, the endless flats that make you feel small and alive. You leave changed, planning your return before you've even left.
The Laguna Madre isn't loud or flashy, it's subtle, stubborn, and spectacular.
She doesn't give up her secrets easily, but when she does, they're unforgettable.
Once you've felt its pull, you'll understand why they call it Mother Lagoon. We absolutely love the Upper Laguna Madre and the Texas coast.
There are so many more places to explore as you navigate south, such as Baffin Bay and the Land Cut.
They offer legendary scenery and historically hold some of the largest speckled trout in Texas.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.